Today we're diving into the realm of property management software, starting with RentRedi, a cloud-based property management solution trusted by numerous landlords for rental properties. After that, we're also going to look at some notable alternatives that are just as powerful and widely used by landlords across the board. So let's get into it. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abagosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Now, property management software can be one of the greatest assets for assisting small landlords in their day-to-day tasks. It simplifies essential tasks like rent collection, tenant communication, and maintenance coordination, saving time and reducing errors. User-friendly interfaces and tenant screening tools make it accessible even to beginners. And this technology really empowers small landlords to compete effectively and manage their properties efficiently. So let's start off by taking a closer look at RentRedi. It's a cloud-based property management software that's been gaining some serious traction in the industry. But what exactly makes it stand out? Well, RentRedi offers a wide range of features that can make your life as a landlord much easier. From accounting tools to tenant screening and everything in between, they've got you covered. Because it's got some essential features like rent collection and accounting, tenant screening, maintenance requests and coordination tools, listing and marketing features, tenant and team communication offerings, and more. Plus, it also has a very user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for those looking to optimize their property management workflows. Now, all that sounds amazing, but what about the pricing? Well, for as low as $19.95 a month, you can access RentRedi's array of top features and customer support. So overall, RentRedi is a cost-effective solution, perfect for landlords of all sizes. But now that we've covered what RentRedi has to offer, we're well equipped to start looking at some notable alternatives so you can make an informed decision for your business. Our first RentRedi alternative is Hemlane, a property management software with innovative tech solutions to enhance your rental management experience. Hemlane offers online rent collection, tenant screening, and property maintenance, ensuring your real estate assets are protected. Now, their basic plan starts at $30 per month and scales up from there. Moving on from that, we have PropertyWare, a cloud-based property management software catering to property management companies and landlords. PropertyWare offers a wide range of tools from marketing and tenant screening to maintenance tracking, and they're all about delivering a great user experience for their landlords. So all the basic features that you're looking for are here, but what about the pricing? Starting at just $1 per unit per month with a $250 monthly minimum, it's a transparent pricing model, so you know what you're signing up for upfront. Plus, you can always upgrade to the premium plan if you do require some additional features. But now let's take a look at Inago, another cloud-based property management software designed to make landlords' lives easier. It's customizable and scalable, which makes it a great choice overall. Now, Inago offers everything from online rent collection to secure document storage. And following the trend of PropertyWare, it's also free for landlords. Now, this makes it a very compelling option for those who are just starting out or want to try property management software for the first time. Although you should keep in mind that tenants may have to pay a small fee when paying a bill through ACH. And when it comes to the features, it covers all the basics, including online tenant payments, lease management, and a mobile app, which are just some of the features that make Inago a noteworthy option. The next alternative on our list is TurboTenant. Now, this is just another great choice for the modern real estate professional and landlord, being that it's also a cloud-based option. TurboTenant helps you market your properties, create lease agreements, and manage tenants seamlessly. Plus, it even offers automatic listing syndication as well. But the best part is that there's a free plan for unlimited units. Plus, they also offer a premium plan at just $8.25 a month, making it one of the most budget-friendly options on our list. And last but certainly not least, we have our very own DoorLoop, a cloud-based property management software that streamlines maintenance management. Now, DoorLoop is well regarded as one of the easiest to use property management softwares on the market, with some of the highest rated customer support reviews. And you can see this for yourself by seeing what users are saying about us on sites like G2 and Capterra. All in all, DoorLoop offers a one-stop solution for landlords, making their lives much easier. Some of the features that you'll find here are automatic rent collection, tracking financial data, and integration with thousands of other apps. From bank sync with QuickBooks integration and unlimited reports, DoorLoop features are designed to make your life much more streamlined as a landlord. And what's more is that you can get started at as low as $49 a month if you click the link below to find out more, or just go to doorloop.com/start. But with all that said, there you have it. 5 fantastic alternatives to RentRedi. Each of these cloud-based property management software options come with its own set of unique features and pricing plans to fit every portfolio size and budget. But if you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to schedule a free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know what your specific needs are and show you everything we offer in greater detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management. We'll see you soon, Loopers.